Okay, our last assignment on paper for the week is called graphing in reverse. Now, when we hear the word reverse, we should be thinking backwards. When you do something in reverse, it's when you do it the opposite way. So previously, we had been used to looking at a picture and then creating a tally chart or a bar graph out of it. Today, we are given the tally chart or bar graph, and we are going to take that and turn it into a picture. So the example I have for you today is graphing in reverse, apple colors. It says, look at the data. Draw apples on the apple tree to represent the data. So if we look at our tally chart, we see the apple colors are red, yellow, and green. There are 5, 6, 7 red apples, 3 yellow apples, and 5 green apples. So I need to draw those apples on the tree to represent and match the tally chart. So I'm going to start with the first one. It says red. So I'm going to get my red color here. I'm going to draw 5, 6, 7 red apples. So I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And maybe, if I would do this with my crayon, I would maybe make it look a little fancier, but it's a little bit tricky to do it on the Smartboard program here. Okay, so I've got my 5, let's see here, 6 and 7. There we go, we've got 7 red apples. Then next I have yellow apples. It's telling me that there are 3, so I'm going to draw 3. 1, 2, and 3. Get my green and give them a little stem. There we go. And then last is green apples. There are 5. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. So if I look at my tally chart, I can see that it matches the picture. There are 7 red apples, there are 3 yellow apples, and there are 5 green apples, and that's that. So for your work, you have graphing in reverse candy colors. So it looks like there's a bag of candy here. It says to look at the data and then take this data from the bar graph and put it into the candy bag. So it says color the candies in the bag to represent the data. So you'll need to have yellow, pink, and orange crayons, markers. If you don't have pink, you can certainly use red. All you need to do is count how many yellows, color that many, count how many pinks, color that many pink, and then count how many oranges and color that many orange. And that's it. Take a picture and submit it to your portfolio. Thanks, guys.